Hi guys, hope everyone's doing well. This is Jay from J&D's Retirement Journey. Today I'm going to give you my January 2024 dividend income update. These are all the stocks that paid us dividends this month. We have a little bit over $81,000 invested in these companies. So let's go down the list here. We got Global X, the covered call QYLD, paid a dividend of $81.19, a yield of 11.77. Value is 87.42. The Schwab Value Advantage Money INV, basically the Schwab Money Market Fund, gave us $21.72. The yield is 4.93, and we have $10,111 invested. Realty Income, symbol O, paid us a dividend of almost $130, a yield of 5.55%. We have a little bit over $28,000 invested in this company. Gabelli Utility Trust got 131.45, a yield of 11.54, 13,792 invested. JP Morgan Nasdaq Equity Premium ETF JEPQ, almost $115. It's a little bit over 10% yield and a little bit over $19,000 invested. The iShares MSCI USA Quality Factor ETF paid a dividend of $1.54, a little bit over 3% yield, $1,253 invested. The average yield for the month was 7.84. Total dividends of $480. And like I said, $81,000 invested this month in these companies. Anyone could get to this point, guys. I started with nothing. Just have to be persistent and consistent. Every paycheck, invest something. Every raise, increase your savings. Anyone could do this. All this information now is coming right off the Charles Schwab website. Any broker you could get this info from. Do your research. Talk with your financial planner before you invest in anything. I am not a financial planner. Let's start off with Global X QYLD. This is as of, 126, the market open there, 2024. $17.70. Year to date, it's up about 2%. As we shoot over to the 5-year chart, it's down about 20%, which is not good, $4.43. This one pays about a yield of 12%. I'm actually losing about $1,000 on this, but I'm a long-term investor, so we're going to hang in there and just keep reinvesting the dividend. I'm not buying anything else, just what the dividend reinvests every month. Pick up a few shares monthly. Morningstar doesn't rate this too high. 3-year rating is a 1-star, which is horrible. Down the list, basically 3 stars. A 10-year rating is 4. Average return, average risk. As we go over to the Schwab Value Advantage Money Investor Shares, basically the money market fund. You can't go wrong with this now. It's in cash. It pays close to 5%. Over 10 years, it says if you invested over 10 years, you'll have $11,500, which is safe, no risk, basically. As we shoot over to Realty Income, symbol O, close at 55.14, 126. That's what it was trading at the beginning of the day there, 5-year chart. It's down big, $12.69, almost 19%. Year to date, it's not doing any better. It's down. It went up to like 59 and it backed off. It's like, where it is now. So the last few weeks haven't been good for O, but I'm a long-term investor. Keep gaining that dividend every month. Morningstar has a 5-star rating on this. Refinitiv and Outperform with almost a $62 price target. S&P Global has a hold rating on this stock. As we go over to Gut, this is one I kind of regret buying. they very, very high fees, like 1.5%, which is horrible. I bought this years ago. Big mistake. It's been as high, I believe, as of 7 and change, 8, but it's pretty much down to its lows now, 5 and change. I get 5 cents per share. Works out, I think, to about 11%. So I'm holding it until it comes back. Then I'm gonna probably dump it. The fees are way too high. As we shoot over to the Morningstar rating on this, it's basically a 3-star right down the road. Average return, average risk. As we go over to JP Morgan, JEPQ, I started investing in this last year, and I'm doing pretty well. The 1-year return here is $8.82, up 21%. And year to date, it's up about 3.5%, 1.82. As we go over to the iShares Core, this is something my financial consultant got me in. It's one of the EFTs. It's about at $70 here. The range is about 61 to 70. It's pretty much at the high. And as you guys could see, it invests in foreign companies. The 5-year chart is up 19%, $11. Year to date is basically flat. Morningstar rates this 4-star fund, above average returns, and the risk is about average. Guys, if you enjoyed this type of video, please remember to hit that subscribe button and that thumbs up. Thanks again for watching. Good luck, everyone.